Hi, I'm Jenny with Landscapers Pride. We're out on the yard. It's a beautiful day. Did you know that not all pine is created equal? When you open a bag of Landscapers Pride pine, you can guarantee that it's locally sourced and it's quality. There's no ground up dimensional lumber, no ground pallets, there's no biosolids. That's wastewater. Let me show you. This is fresh pine from a locally sourced mill within 50 miles of us. Comes in fresh and we process it daily. Remember that fresh, pure pine bark that I told you about? Here it is going into our power screen. This power screen has 3 different outputs. We get the size of material that we're screening for. In this case, it's soil conditioner, 3/8 inch minus. We get the overs, which are sent back into processing, and then we get the fines, which are used in composting. So if you see this product, you can see the pine bark and how fresh it is, and it's ground to a 3/8 inch minus. This product will be used as an ingredient in 15+ products throughout the yard. This is also a single product in our bag line. Okay, we showed you the fresh pine bark coming in straight from the mill. We showed you some of the processes. Let me show you the finish line. This is Landscapers Pride compost. Finished, beautiful pine bark compost. This is just one of the various products we make. We have 27 bag products. If you see behind me, they're all cooking and processing. We've got black humus in the windrows. We've got grower pine, fantastic for container gardening. We've got 27 products available to you. Our #1 seller is our pine bark mulch. You can trust it because we trust it. It is clean, it is locally sourced, and there's no waste in it.